Hi guys, so today what we're going to be doing is installing a tempered glass protective film for the display on 2018 Golf R. It might work for GTI too, I'm not 100% sure on that, but this is for 2018 Golf R with a bigger display. So if you have a 2015 to 2017, this protective film won't work unless you do an upgrade for your stereo aftermarket and then install this. The reason why I like installing this is I don't like really putting any scratches on the OEM. That same thing for like my phone. I don't like having any kind of scratches on actual display, so that is the reason why I got this one. I did have to get this display under warranty as there was a hairline fracture inside the display, which only took them like maybe 40 minutes to replace, diagnose and then replace. So inside here there will be one protective foam in it. I don't know if they give you a practice one, but it doesn't really matter because I'm not going to use the practice one. So in here is the display. As you can see here, it says back. So how it's going to happen is probably going to be installed this way, and we'll make sure there's no any kind of lint or grease under on the display before we install it. They also have this installation steps, and there is little suction cup looking, so you can just hold on to the middle, I guess. So we might use this, we might not. There's nothing. It comes with white paper. To be doing is using the white paper and wipe the entire screen. All I need to do is open it up, grab it, just clean it as well. Try to clean not just the display but also the gap between the display and the bezel, because once you do that, so as you can see there is still a few lints and all that things. So the reason why you want to clean like the gap is you don't really want to chance any dust or lint getting under the foam and then getting stuck on there. Then you just wasted money, right? So you don't want to do that. Now what we're going to be doing is looking for any kind of micro lint, and once that is done, you want to use this cloth. And then we're going to be using this cloth on here, making sure there is no, feels like this is causing more freaking lint to get stuck underneath. We'll do our best here. Closer, making sure there's no lint. still see lint in there. Okay, now that part is good. What we're going to do is just check if there is still lint on the display. Looks like I do see a little lint there around the knobs. Okay, I think that part is good. Now what I'm going to do is look this. As you might be able to read this, it says this sticker helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. So it looks like it's gonna go on just like this. So what I'm going to do is put this on one side. Actually, I'll just put it on the bottom part, so it will help me be able to see it a little bit better. I'm going to just take it off from the top right to middle, and then we'll put it on without actually pushing on it, just to make sure everything lines up. And then once it lines up, what we're going to do, slowly pull this down, everything lined up, and then also push the screen down. Now as you can see right there, I don't know how well you can see, but there are little micro bubbles. So what you're going to do is just try to squeeze them out as best as you can. I don't think they gave me a squeegee with it. Once this is installed, what we're going to do is take the suction cup off and grab this kind of not really good quality of wipe and try to get all the air out. You might have to lift it up a little bit and get the air out that way. Yep, that's what you'll have to do. Yeah, it's a pretty easy install, just to make your life easier. Make sure you do the prep properly, clean it up, take all the lint and dust off the display itself, and also take it off from the bezel and the trim around, and also make sure to clean around the knobs. So a lot of times the knobs have more lint and dust stuck. Then what we're going to do is just rub it till you get all the air bubbles out, as you can see. And that's the end of the installation. Thank you for watching this installation. It doesn't take long, just to make sure you are cautious when you're installing it, just like when you're installing protector or screen protector for your phone, just to make sure there is no lint. I don't see any lint under here, which is great, so my OCD isn't going to drive me nuts with this film. But yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give a like and also subscribe. I will make sure to bring more content for this channel. I am looking to do more installation video for my Golf R, so if you're interested in, then give a like and also subscribe.